will give out my free legal advice to the first 14 callers in getting answers to your immigration questions. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, Brad. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. Thank you for asking. I've been married before. I married I would say 2 years marriage, and I divorced. And I'm on the third one right now. So, and I'm
wait. You're married and you got divorced. I didn't hear what the next part was. Yes.
So I've been married 2 times before.
I
haven't filed for green card. So, so I'm on the third marriage right now, and
third marriage.
I want to. Yes.
Okay.
So I wanted to file, and there's a different age between me and my wife. She's older than me by 10 years.
Okay.
So we went to schedule an appointment with a lawyer around here. So he told me my case is difficult, so I should just give it up and divorce. So is that true, or can I still stand a chance to file?
Let me ask you a question. If I told you to jump off a bridge, would you jump off a bridge?
Okay. All right.
That's a question. Would you jump off a bridge because I told you to? That's a question. I'm asking you a question. Would you jump off a bridge if I asked you to jump off a bridge?
No.
You wouldn't. So if you love a woman and somebody says to divorce her, why would you go divorce her?
No, I didn't file for divorce.
Okay, so but it's as stupid as saying go jump off a bridge. Some lawyer says you're in love with a woman. This is the woman you want to spend the rest of your life with. Some lawyer says, hey, you got a difficult case. Go divorce her. Really? I should?
Right.
I mean, if you really love her, you'd be like, F you, I'm not divorcing her.
Right,
And the fact is, you're allowed to marry somebody 10 years older. There's no law that says you can't.
True.
So if it's a real marriage, if it's a real marriage and you married her for love, I would give the lawyer the finger. How dare you tell me to divorce somebody I love? How insulting!
Right. Yeah. Well, that's what we get in in this country when still.
It's like saying go jump off a bridge, go rob a bank. If I told you to rob a bank, you'd do that too? No. So why would you divorce a woman you love? You love her, you marry her, you prove it's a real marriage. Period.
Right.
You don't love her, it's a business marriage, you shouldn't have bothered marrying her in the first place. It's against the law.
Right. So the question is, do you handle cases that are out of state?
Yes.
Since you are based in New York?
Yes, we handle cases in every state, all 50. Hold on.
Oh, okay. All right.
Let's go to Trudy in Brooklyn. Trudy.
Hi.
How you doing?
I got approved for my, well, not approved. I have the vowel case. I got the prima facie.
Right.
And I want to know if I apply for government assistance, will it affect my citizenship in the future?
No.
No?
No.
How long would my work permit take to be approved?
Did you file an adjustment application?
I did.
You paid $1,225?
Oh, no, I only got the prima facie letter.
Did you pay $1,225 to the U.S. government?
No, I didn't pay that yet.
Then you did not file an adjustment application. And
so I have to wait on them? I'm sorry.
No, and therefore you're not getting a work permit. File an adjustment application, you'll get a work permit. If not, you're going to wait 3 years for your work permit through a VAWA. So you file a VAWA with an adjustment, you pay $1,225 for the adjustment, and then you get a work permit, which is why I asked if you paid the filing fee. Because I ask questions all the time. You file an adjustment? Yeah. And I give a cold question. It turns out you never filed an adjustment. I know if you paid $1,225, you filed an adjustment. If you didn't, then you didn't. So pay $1,225, file an I-45 with an I-765. You'll get a work permit.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go to Lisette in Miami, Florida.
Hello, Brad.
How are you?
You can hear me?
Yes.
Good. I can hear you well. Thank you for answer. I had a VAWA case in November.
Yes.
I had a green card. I filed the application with my 3 boys. They were under 21. But now one of those is 22, and the other will be 21 in June. But They give me the letter with my 3 kids, like derivative kids. But for some reason,
I don't understand what you mean by the letter. And who's filed the adjustment for you?
I did by myself, like the VAWA case.
You did a VAWA case. Okay. Did you file?
Yes.
You filed the I-360 when?
That was in 2019, and I got the green card in November.
Okay. When did you file for the children?
In the same time, in I think it was February in 2019.
Okay.
The point was,
and what happened with their cases?
I received one of those letters of my son, like they asked me for evidence for my kids, for the baby, like 7 years old.
Evidence
so for the
for
other
what?
Kids, like for, I talked to you before, for, when they go in to approve you, they send you some letter, like they need more evidence that they
what was the evidence
house.
what was the problem with the 7-year-old kid's case?
Or if they live with me in my husband's house,
fine. Okay.
And they should send me my 2 boys as well. The point was, I didn't receive the letter, and they say they sent the letter to my address, but I didn't receive it. So I put the address to my cousin. So I didn't receive. So now they send a letter that they said they denied the case for my 2 boys because I abandoned the case, and I did not. So I sent them appeal for the 2 cases, and they say I don't see. I don't say what the 3. They have a 3 options.
It sounds like a freaking disaster right now for your children. So what you have to do now is you're gonna file you're gonna file an I-130 for them now because they're over 21 years old, but they get to keep the priority date of the VAWA case in 2019, but they go into the F-2B category at this point, so they're gonna wait several years for green cards now because they're over 21. Hold on, you need help, all right? Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.